guys, so on this 2015 Mazda 3 hatchback, we're going to be replacing the cargo light or the trunk light. So pretty easy to get to. On this one actually has a switch as well, so just make sure you have that off if yours come with that function. Other than that, you want to start from the back and it pops out that easy, okay? Just pull it out. Don't pull too far. And it's actually right here, it's a festoon, okay? You should be able to just pull this out real quick. There you go. So the way it works is you want to push it inwards towards the spring, and that'll release tension and it should just pop out, okay? And this one's a 31mm as well, okay? So pretty easy. There you go. Simple as that, okay? So just to test it, that's how it looks. It's done. Alright guys, and don't forget, before you put this back into place, switch it to the other side, okay? You want to have it facing outwards, not inwards, okay? So once you have it aligned, light it up just real quick, just so you can see, make sure it's on the correct side. Once you have it correctly, just pop it back in. Alright, there you go. If you have any questions, please let us know and we'll answer them for you. Thank you for watching.
Beautiful morning, you're the sun in my morning bed.